running around again? What are you doing, sir? But the main reason why I'm here is this big box. So this is my silverware and dinnerware for the wedding. And I'm actually able to lift it because it's plastic. But I'm so excited for this. And hold up, let me change the song really quick. There we go. I really hope that the music isn't too loud, and I'm not loud enough. I apologize. I'm still kind of working on the volumes of things in these videos, but yeah, I'm really excited about this. Let me open this improperly, like a psychopath. All right, I'm so excited because the pictures of it, it just looks so pretty, and it's all plastic. It's all stuff you can just throw away. So this is enough for 50 people, 50 guests. And everything is super bubble wrapped. That's great. And but yeah, and it's rose gold. This is freaking awesome. I'm just gonna pull out a cup really quick so I can show you guys. Ooh, it's close. But really pretty. It's very, very shiny. Love that. I was going to have these by my, kind of when I do my cocktail hour, I'm going to have those cups set out. And then during the dinner part, I'm going to have like these cute mason jar things with handles. And I found those at the dollar store for $1, so I bought like 30 of them. So I'm thinking 30 people are probably going to be at the wedding. These look super nice. These are just napkins, but pull out one here. See, these are super nice napkins. They feel like cloth. This is bizarre. Let's say it feels like cloth. But yeah, these are super nice too. Like so this is 50 cups, 50 napkins, 50 plates, 2 sizes of the 50 plates, and that's the part I'm most excited about is the plates. So let me dig those out. Let's grab one. Jeez, I almost want to like wash them and keep them. Like what the heck? These are super nice. But yeah, it was $50 for, so it's pretty much like pennies for each of these. See, this is really nice. I'm thinking maybe for like dessert plates. I was gonna do it for the salads, but I'm like looking at it, and I'm like, that's not gonna be big enough for a salad. But definitely for like a piece of cake, a dessert. I'm gonna have this on my dessert table. I'm gonna have like cake pops, vegan macaroons. I'm so excited to make these macaroons. I'm gonna have it on my vegan channel. I'll have that listed below too. I'm gonna do vegan cake pops. All desserts are gonna be vegan, and they're gonna actually taste good. But I'm gonna do like a little mock run here soon. I'm gonna make a cake. I'm excited. I love dessert. I love cooking, baking, all that stuff. So that's why I started a separate channel for that. And this is kind of like my girly channel, my DIY sort of channel. All right, let's. All right. Oh shoot, these are big. That is awesome. Say these are really pretty too. They're super shiny. Like this is perfect. So I'm gonna be doing like pasta, spaghetti. This is perfect. I'm so excited. It's so nice. It's the nicest, like, so crazy. It's like a dollar per plate, cup, napkin, like all together. It's like pennies for this. It's nuts. Like $50 for 50 of everything. Like this is awesome. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of silverware here. Let me not cut my fingers off. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, he's over there. He's eating some hay. But yeah, like, it looks like real, like, regular silverware. Like, this is awesome. And it's rose gold. It looks actually like rose gold. My wedding ring is rose gold, and I have like a morganite stone. It's so pretty. Oh my God. He's knocking stuff over. I'm sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Be careful. He ran into the chair and like knocked over some stuff. Can you be more careful, please, sir? Thank you. Okay, gonna pull out a fork here. I'm so excited. This is amazing. And this stuff looks like it's great quality. But yeah, it looks like a regular fork, and it's plasticware. Like, what? It doesn't even, like, this blows my mind. Like, it's great. It's all rose gold. It looks so good. I couldn't be happier. I honestly couldn't be happier. Get down! What are you doing? What? I'm gonna ground you. You're grounded. You're grounded. He's stuck. Oh, hold on. He's trying to climb on top of things. Are you good now? Oh, I'm gonna snatch you. I'm gonna snatch you. Anywho, I just wanted to show you guys all that stuff. I might separate it into a smaller video here just to do the individual, like, just I want to show you how to like set up how I'm gonna try to set everything up. And actually, let me why are you like this? Anyway. You're so silly. But anyways, yeah, I'm trying to figure out how I want to set all this stuff up. I think I'm gonna do my desserts inside. I was thinking about setting up my little plates, and then my little silverware on one side, or maybe like this, and just have all the silverware on top. Why are you being crazy? Huh? But anywho, it's just super awesome. Couldn't be more happy. Just was seeing all the really awesome like reviews and everything of all this stuff. It's crazy shiny. Like, the quality is great. The plates are like this one, definitely for dinner. You can put, it's big, definitely. Like, I'm trying to see if I have like a ruler or something. Hold on a minute. Alright. But yeah, it's about 10 inches here. I'll say it's give or take an inch because it doesn't go all the way to 1 here. But yeah, it's great. Like, I love it. I didn't think I was going to be that pleased with it. I was like, they're so cheap, you know, you get what you pay for, but it's great quality. I'm so excited. I just want to do a little unboxing for you guys to show you the stuff that I got, and I am super excited. I'll be getting stuff every day, so I'll be having videos every day. If you like the video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Every single day I'll be doing little, I think I'll be doing the arch maybe tomorrow, but I'll be having some cooking videos, some dessert videos. I've never made vegan white chocolate before, so I hope that's not a disaster. But if you want to stay tuned for some more DIY things and projects, I'll be doing my own centerpieces. So if y'all are interested in that, stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!